Mitharay promise batu Livingstone. Kila ban kelat ya kan ni?
Kata terkasih ngatikan. Saya am beliau. Bagi beliau ndola temian kilong biang kelung. Kini baru armut laki samla biang.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ka Pearly Higher Secondary School Shillong, haka arhu pratri uyayong arajar punrio. Rakhe ka Founders Day, kam National Integration Day, ka bujbenlong mana usnam. Ka school ka Pliru ka Pearly Training Center. Kabalong kajing temu ban ay jing kershan ya kajing puli jang kena school haki por long school bat kabenta ka baar kalong ban ay jing ikai ya kisap trekam ya kinong shong shnong ya kari project la plipat ba do MLA ka notch long constituency ba Adelbert Nongrum ublalong kumukang san ringkat kajing sakilang ke Dr. TK Karbaman kabare ke Dean jang School of Liberal Studies MIT kinong hikai bat ki kena school.
To enhance by the scheme, through MLA scheme, SUWP, for around an amount of 10 lakhs rupees towards the school. And I also take this opportunity to congratulate the school for attaining an excellent for your studies. In regards to the Computer Training Institute, I believe it is not a want but a need. Practical knowledge in computer is no longer an option but a necessity in today's education system by empowering with skills, requiring our students with skills for higher education and further opportunities. Of course, today we observe the journey as the school had established since 1884, now 42 years as it passed as a journey. Looking back, we feel sometimes as we had done so much, but while turning ahead, we understand that so many things left to be accomplished. The present, though it arrived from the past, but we never belong to the past. Though the future connect from the present, remember, we are the framers for the future generation. On this Foundation Day, let us remind our motto, dare still to dare, ever to dare. My dear students, it means even now, don't stop being brave. Always remain courage in life and keep on moving forward despite fear and difficulties. Kamenta, walada kapanyasno pat kamanin. Henry, ngimdeng pat chong kamanin. Katay galasay, hoy kadon bentalang pat kani kamenta. Henry mangi, ngide kinong taudor, bat kinong sendor, nakabanta kalaway, kilong din, bat kipateng kibanangwan. The achievements of this school are the dedication of the teachers and the student as well. To students, our courage to dream big, work hard, have a strong willpower to say no for bad habits, as it will turn to addiction and turning into a lust, and from the lust into a sickness. Kini kalong kubadong kam tam nam tevi jong fi ki kun filong ki children of the soil. Filong the future lembah kani kabanta. Kabang ako pen kemau. Baki ki jumlien. Kapen kelalong kejimlen. Kapen kelalong kejing kerni. Kapen kelalong kejing perang. Bak kapen kelalong ru kejimpang. New ki surrounding incident taking place day by day. We often feel helpless and hopeless. But by God's grace, we believe that master key to help us to overcome the darkness and to overcome the tribulation is through a master key. Master key through prayers. Prayers is the only greatest source of power on earth. The master. And should not allow them to be the master, but they should be your servant. What I mean to say, the dark, the night, and the technology. It tried to replace being, we as human beings, as a God human creator. We are supposed to be master, not to be servant. Towards the dark, towards the night, and towards technology.
The competition jungi kam judai ka touch lane kam kodyat madiat, they are never our competition. Competition jungi kedai mengi para guest house, para instay, para homestay. Kaya mengisak sadani ti email pa jung apa di amba yan penkala no syaka guest house lane ka homestay kan. Por bangi penkala ngi ai kerteng ka orange homestay. Pingi sedang sya no 4 rooms tamba naka 4 rooms ni sotho ba ma nomor ni dang kam shu ki rooms ke ni lala ban expand naka daw ka floor jong ki torres kila sedang bon ading in sala ban expand jo 4 room at current ni dan khatsan room habawan kun kini kita che kum mga ngonong mo mga puli for Institute of Hotel Management kun kini ki big companies bawan ship ni kalong big opportunities hingi ki youth bangin yo company how jaka bangin like shabar bangin tap placement shabar ma bangin la dat puli tingin jaka bangin tap shabar ngi la yo ban tap aka state la jong kitores kilong la ka jong ka segment ma uba kambet kambiang uletsa he'll go for touch lane who want that luxury experience ole touch budget travelers kilai hakim hotel tekidan ki middle class ki kwa ban sa ha pam kini ki instay ki tang kata hang la ban ka bekam dan jing thot iro yangi ngai baka acknowledge tot ya baro homestays owners lane ki instay lane kiwai ki bentaro recently ngadang shu receive ka wai ka award ma katin ba ka gold award jang tu sustainable Indian tourism New York ka orange instay ma to ka tekan ka ni ka wai ka pani ba ka government hi ka acknowledge lot ya baro ka try ban promote lo ya baro